All right, let's take a look at the latest street rod to come in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1954 Ford F100. As you can see, step side pickup, and again in a street rod. Mild chop to this, custom look. What we call purple haze custom paint. This particular vehicle is powered by a 460 V8 underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped. We're talking power steering, power brakes, vintage AC and heat in this truck, automatic transmission. So a lot of the modern amenities as far as options and running gear on this one. As you can also see, more of a high intensity discharge headlight. If you'd like to know more about this truck, feel free to call us. First of all, you can reach us at 507-386-1726. And of course, our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's in the description, and that will take you right to us. See, it's riding on chrome wheels, kind of the five-spoke torque thrust type wheels. Good rubber. Nice custom truck. Interior also finished off very nice. Under the hood has the flip forward hood on it. Nice setup. That 460 is dressed up very nicely underneath there. We're going to go ahead and take a look underneath there. We'll start it up so you can hear it run and everything. Step side box back here. It does have the wood inlay. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at as far as the transportation goes. On the interior, you have more modern gauge setup, Pioneer stereo. Just for the heads up on that. And again, you can see how nice the paint is. Chrome wheels look good on this truck. It is all steel. If you're looking for a custom street rod and a 54 Ford, take a good close look at this one. Again, still pictures. You want to see under the hood, check the underside of this truck out. Really check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said earlier, down below this video, click on that link that's going to take you right there. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Again, you can check out the paint on this side. Reflection. See where the gas door has been located at. Also has a 9-inch Ford rear end. Make sure I mention that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Again, nice door panels. This one, interior is finished off extremely nice. New carpeting, bent seat. Truck actually smells new on the inside from the material that's been used. Headliner, also in good shape. Again, automatic transmission, shifter on the floor. Vintage heat and AC, power steering, power brakes. See more of the late model gauge cluster there. I'm going to go ahead and start this up here. See how easily the truck starts? Nice sounding truck too. Slip around to the back and hear the rumble out of this. How nicely that door closes. There you go, nice little rumble coming out of that 460 V8. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this video a second while I get the hood slid and flipped open, but let's take a look at how that works, and we'll check out that engine bay and take a little closer look at the under the hood of this. Alright, there you go. As you can see, hood was converted to the folding forward mechanism. See how smooth that V8 runs. Your vintage AC, power brakes up front, power steering there. Of course, you take a look down here by the way, front disc, power brakes besides, aluminum radiator, a nice chrome, nice looking engine bay. Flip around to the other side here a second. Heater and AC hoses all intact. There you have it, 1954 Ford F100 street rod pickup, nicely equipped, nice running, ready for the road. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this hot rod to where you're located at. Give us a call.